Hey guys, before we get into this video, we're going to try something new. I'm going to answer one question down in the comment section on every video. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below and we'll answer them in the next video. Gonna be a busy week. Welcome back to the channel. Tuesday, February 6th. We transferred corn. So we got about 5,500 wet corn out of the big bin and into the drying bin. I think I made a crucial mistake and loaded it too fast. The stir-rator, the augers are turning, but the stir-rator ain't going around the bin. So I'm gonna have to go up there and assess the situation. Well, I didn't take you guys up there. It's a pain in the ass carrying tools, let alone a camera. But I found 3 broken wires on the sensor switch to rotate it. So I fixed the wiring connections and we got the heat burning again. Got both bin fans running and we're gonna cook some corn today. I'll walk down and push up the cow silage. I'll catch up with you when I'm down there. These greedy pigs are loving the corn silage. If you guys haven't fed corn silage, it's amazing. You can cut your hay down to 50, 60, sometimes 70% if you push the corn silage enough. But as you can see, just canary grass, meadow hay, and corn silage. And I'd say these body conditions are damn near perfect in general. So when you're feeding corn silage, I said it in the past videos, really got to watch them pin bones, tailbone area. Make sure you're not getting it too fatty, because then you'll have calving issues, and nobody likes calving issues. So I believe calendar date calving will start the 23rd or 24th of March, but you know how that is, 2 weeks early is nothing. So we should be close to a month out from calving. It's gonna come quick. I'm gonna try, once she thaws out a little bit more, get the manure spreader hooked up and haul these couple loads out. I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to bed, and we'll just keep you guys posted what happens. Hopefully that bin keeps drying today. We can get that corn under wheels, and I don't think one more batch will do it. I think it might be another batch in a little bit, or depending on the moisture, we'll just put wheels under the couple semi-loads of wet corn. We'll see. Play it by ear. I will walk out here and show you, I don't know how bad the wind is, I'm sure it's really bad, but show you guys what has me concerned on the alfalfa. So this is straight alfalfa, and if you get down here at the crowns, I don't know if the camera picks that up, but the alfalfa is growing, and it's February 6th, 7th, whatever it is. I don't know. Hang on tight, boys, if you got a lot of alfalfa. It's not looking good. Tuesday, February 6th, about 5 p.m. Sun's going down. Heater and stir-rator ran flawlessly all day. We shrank probably, I don't know, about a foot and a half. So with that extra space, I got the auger running. We'll transfer another, I don't know, 5, 7, 1,000 bushels maybe, and let it run all night, mix it in. I'd imagine that stuff is gonna be down to like 15, 16, so we'll put some more 20% in there, let her run in all under 12 hours, and we should be right in that 13.5, 14% range. So I don't have very many batches under my belt. As you guys seen this fall, I got this running for the first time, so it's still a learning curve. I just rather be a little too dry than too wet and still get docked. So we'll see how it goes. We'll catch up with you guys if anything happens tonight. Otherwise, we'll catch up with you in the morning. Morning. Just started the tractor, doing a bin check. Gonna try and fit another couple hundred more bushels on. Hopefully it shrank. Gotta climb up there and look yet. And then check the temperature. Probably run the heat for most of the day. Then start cooling tonight. So it's about 36, 38 degrees. Sun ain't even completely up yet. So I have a feeling it's going to be a beautiful day, which is not what we want in February, but whatever. Wednesday afternoon, breezy, but still pretty nice out. I'd say 46, 47 degrees. Cleaned off another field. There's a few carryover bales and some fresh, not fresh, 2023 hay. Brought this back to the farm. This is probably going to be used for bedding. Starting a cabin pad outside in the mud. At least it's a base. Some of this stuff is actually pretty nice. There's a lot of green in that. And the cows will pick through that. So I'm going to check the bin temp. Probably shut the burner off tonight, but let it run for a couple more hours. And we'll see what happens. Well, it's Friday. Forgot about you guys in the tractor. But we got done doing chores. Scraped out the cow lot, concrete, and just stockpiled it. We lost all of our frost. And as you can see, got some white stuff back. Just not even a dusting. But stockpile the manure. I don't want to go make a mess out of the fields. We lost our frost, and we're gonna head to North Branch with a light load of hay. Well, I'm gonna throw this loader on the New Holland, but when I took it off, I thought I remembered a bad O-ring. So I got my O-ring kit, adjustable wrench. It had to be that one, I think. It looks like it's been leaking. So I'm gonna pop that off, and hopefully I have the right O-ring. Throw a new one in, and we'll be on our way. Snow's gone again, but it's cold and hard. Pop that off. I don't know if you can see there, the top right, it's blown out. So now to find the right one. Throw it back together. Found the right size. Rubbed it with a little bit of extra hydraulic oil. And gonna throw that fitting on right here. And away we're gonna go. O-ring in, fitting tight. Should be ready to throw the loader on. So it looks like we're still gonna have above average temps. I think highs in the low 30s, lows in the teens, low teens. But there doesn't look like there's much snow in the forecast. We ended up getting about a half to 3/4 inch. I don't have a rain gauge out, but the ground is firming up. And just as I expected, the ruts are rock hard. Saturday, February 17th. Cold, windy day. Let's feed some cows. I don't remember where we left off. I haven't picked up the camper in probably a week. But over the week we did unload that batch we dried down. Just shy of 5,000 bushels. And we got maybe 50 to 100 bushels left in the bottom that we have yet to finish sweeping out. And there's so many fines in it because I didn't sweep it out, but before this batch I just dumped on top of the dry corn. But the stir raiders, they sifted all the fines to the bottom of the bin. So there's so much fines and bees wings on the bottom that I think, well, I know we're gonna put the gravity wagon underneath the auger and sweep it out clean. Get a broom in there and actually sweep it out so we can have max airflow through the grain. So later on today we're gonna sweep that bin out. Right now I'm gonna feed silage. We gotta feed a bunch of hay. I think every pen needs hay. And then we're gonna run to town, and then when we get back we're probably gonna sweep that bin out. And tomorrow is supposed to be 31, 32, so I think we'll get the auger set back up to transfer another load of wet corn out of the big bin into the drying bin, dry that down, and if you guys follow the markets, they're crashing. So it's time to get rid of a majority of this corn. So there's still a chance for a little bit of rebound in the corn price, but I'm not going to hold my breath. Got the cows fed silage. They're doing really good, wintering good, saving a lot of hay. Silage is, we slowed down on our usage, so at current feed out we're going to be out about May 15th, I believe. But as you guys know, we are looking to add or potentially double the herd. So once that happens, we will start burning through the corn silage pretty fast. But I wouldn't want to feed that late into May. If we can get into May or even middle of April, towards the end of April, that's good. We saved a bunch of hay and then just start feeding alfalfa and dry hay with it. Well guys, Saturday afternoon, and you can see we got the wagon in here. We got that bin swept out. I don't know, there was probably 150, 200 bushel in there. Got it in the wagon. Gonna transfer another batch tomorrow, hopefully, like I said, if it gets warm. But that'll be for another video. So please like, comment, subscribe, follow along for more. Know these videos aren't horribly interesting, but it's just a day-to-day on the farm in the winter. So we'll catch you later.